This 2017 Winnebago Journey 36M is a Class A RV. It is located in Jacksonville, Florida 32277 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Jacksonville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor entertainment. This 2017 Winnebago Journey 36M is built on a Maxum chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.